This is Scott Soulliere with Lexus of Las Vegas, located at 6600 West Sahara, telephone number 702-942-6600. I would like to talk about something you may or may not know on the new, redesigned LS500. One of my personal favorites, actually, and that is the video tutorials on all the safety features. We could talk about how much safety features they have, but maybe not necessarily sinks in until we actually see a tutorial of it. So what you would do here is you go to the menu screen, and we can see up on the screen here, hit the menu, and then at the bottom, just click on where it says Info. And then you can click over right here to where it says Owner's Manual. You got a little show here for a second. Then you can go on videos. Just click on the word videos, and then all to the right here are any of the videos on the safety features on this car, which there are numerous ones. So for instance, let's look at the front cross traffic alert. It's going to go through a couple disclaimers here and talk about probably what you shouldn't be doing is watching the screen while you're driving. So they got to state that before you do any of this to make sure it's safe to do so. So we'll just give it a second here to cycle through. Also helpful information about using an owner's manual. So it kind of talks about it a little bit. Then the actual video pops up on the screen, which I think is pretty cool here. Basically giving you a picture of how you would be inside the car and what you would see with this particular function and how it works. That is one of the great things you may or may not know about the LS500, and there's numerous videos. You can see it on the screen and select whichever one you want. For more exciting information about this great all redesigned LS500, give me a call at 702-942-6600. Scott Soulliere, Lexus of Las Vegas.